had gone over the bridge. Some dogs that had lost their lives, others had survived it, and also other people where the dogs were just on the verge of going over. Okay, and he was fit and healthy.
Through blood contact, Joyce discovers that fatal incidents at this bridge aren't just recent events that go back some 60 years.
I spoke to a lady who used to work for the Scottish SPCA. She moved to Dumbarton in the 1950s and decided to come up here to take her dog for a walk through the estate. She was warned by a friend to keep her dog off the lead, as apparently many dogs had jumped over the bridge.
What you doing with the cat?
Over such a long period of time,
You trying to rodeo the cat?
One idea is that the dogs may be committing suicide due to the gloomy state of their owners' lives.
You trying to rodeo the cat?
No longer the bustling town it once was.
Look at your baby trying to rodeo the cat.
It's high.